How to find email, new followers, notifications, settings on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email, new followers, notifications, settings on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud and here you will find library, click on it and then click here. Click on your profile in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and then just scroll down. Here you will find email notifications, then just click new followers. Here you will find new followers settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.